Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Fawzia Mahmood.
And I'm Hamza Ali Abbasi.
And we welcome you all at the TIE chapter's premiere here in Islamabad.
TIE looks forward to support small-scale entrepreneurs by providing them with mentoring, with opportunities to build their capacity and to network. Through the process of mentoring, TIE can guide them on how to improve on their governance standards and business practices so they have sustainable growth. TIE also looks forward to working with young budding entrepreneurs in assisting them translate their innovative ideas into successful entrepreneurial ventures. TIE will arrange networking events whereby industry leaders, investors, and ideators can network and form mutually beneficial partnerships and alliances. In addition, we will hope to promote informed entrepreneurship through networking. On this note, I would like to invite each of you, whether you are an established entrepreneur interested in mentoring, a startup business looking for guidance, an investor looking for lucrative opportunities, or a social entrepreneur who wants to drive social change to fight poverty, please join the TIE family and join us in making a difference.
I'm glad to be here at the launch of the Indus Entrepreneur TIE Islamabad chapter. I greatly appreciate this select gathering of corporate leaders, senior professionals, and successful entrepreneurs assembled here for a great cause. A cause to encourage entrepreneurs through counseling, networking, and education. A cause to provide positive leadership to new entrepreneurs. A cause dedicated to the virtuous cycle of wealth creation and giving back to the community. It is inspiring that within a span of 15 years, the TIE, taking a start from Silicon Valley, has grown considerably. It has indeed impacted communities across the globe. I'm glad that the previous speakers have highlighted a number of important aspects of entrepreneurship. However, for us in Pakistan, the most commendable goals of the TIE are job creation and poverty reduction. Ladies and gentlemen, as you know, that Pakistan is a resourceful country. It has immense potential for growth as compared to many developed nations in the world. We have a large, diligent workforce and a diverse natural resource base. However, we could not tap this potential for the progress and prosperity of our people. I also announce that this forum will be considered as a think tank for the government.
Mr. Prime Minister, ladies and gentlemen, we live in a world where truth has really become stranger than fiction. Every day brings forth 1,000 discoveries, and many of these discoveries are then translated into new products, new processes. So we live in a world where ideas and innovation determines progress. And the challenge is to be able to unleash the creative potential of our young so that they can move forward and their ideas can be translated into products and processes. So the key factors to promote innovation and entrepreneurship are basically an educational system which fosters creativity. Our universities should be producing job creators, not job seekers. The ability of students who pass out to form their own companies and march on their own path rather than go around looking for jobs.
I strongly believe that this is the linkage which will take Pakistan forward. If we are not able to develop, I don't think we can really develop in the right direction. It is, whenever I look around in all the developed countries of the world which have achieved success, and now the buzzword is innovation.
TIE is here to bring together students, aspiring entrepreneurs, and established entrepreneurs on one platform to promote entrepreneurship globally through mentoring, education, networking initiatives.
भाई ये हर जगह अपनी शायरी की दुकान मत खोले किया करो। और भाई तुम्हें हम नौकरी कहां से दें? ये आजकल के नौजवान पता नहीं नौकरी के पीछे ही भागते रहते हैं। मेरी तरह बिजनेस क्यों नहीं करते?
हाँ जी, सोचता हूँ बाप दादा की सारी जायदाद बेच के बिजनेस शुरू कर दूं। यहाँ खाने को रोटी नहीं है, तुम्हें बिजनेस की पड़ी है।
बेटा 7 साल का है मेरा बेटा।
कोई बात नहीं, मैं प्यार कर रहा हूँ।
पता है उसने क्या कहा? उसने कहा पापा पापा मैं बड़ा होके एंटरप्रेन्योर बनूंगा।
भाई ये एंटरप्रेन्योर होता क्या है?
हाँ बच्चा सलामत आपसे पूछ रहा क्यों नहीं? नौजवान, एंटरप्रेन्योर वो होता है जिसमें जज्बा हो, जोश हो, जुनून हो, कुछ करने का अज़म हो, जेब बेशक खाली हो मगर दिमाग में ब्रिलियंट आइडियाज हो।
सीधा सीधा क्यों नहीं कहता कि बेवकूफ होना चाहिए?
फिर तो मैं एंटरप्रेन्योर हूं। अरे बादशाह सलामत की तो आदत है मजाक करने की। एंटरप्रेन्योर वो है जो कि रिस्क ले।
इसका मतलब मैं पक्का एंटरप्रेन्योर हूं।